to my living room that has literally no furniture. We have a haul! A lot of you guys really wanted me to do another SHEIN haul. Remember when we tried having that Healing Girl summer haul, but it didn't work out because... Am I on my period? Sometimes don't you just get that feeling? Wait! I think I'm on my period. I don't mean to be gross, but I am. And my laundry basket happens to be down here. Grab my underwear because that's from the apartment. You're clean, I promise. It's like you have an intuition. This is very unnecessary. I'm so sorry, but... Sorry, I had to take you guys down that road with me. What a ride. Anyway, with today's haul, I bought a bunch of jeans and a bunch of tops. She did not just do that to us. Yes, she did. You're too big. Oh, I lost weight. She's skinny. I bought a large. Oh my God, wait. Does that look funny? There are these chains on the side. Literally lace up the sides. Although it looks kind of funny now, too bad. You're funny to look at to start with. Okay. If I were to push my clean underwear down, you'd see some skin. How sexy. However, I created this little pocket, foldable, crustable here. Pokes the jean out kind of funny. Yeah. And I have a camel toe now, but that's just an excuse. I always have a camel toe. Camera's crooked. Were you gonna tell me that you were like, tell how long the jeans are? And they have these rips on the knee-ish, thigh-ish to show your sexy muscles. You know, they're not as cute as I thought they'd be. They make my legs look so short. You know, I'm technically short, but am I that short to the point where I look short? Don't answer that. I do recommend sizing down on these chain jeans if you want to try them out. Does it look like I have a booty though? Nope. I think these are super baddie and they're very in for summer right now. Excuse my grandma undies. Imagine wearing this with like a thong. I mean string underwear, PG here, PG bitches. The true test is whether or not we can cartwheel in these. We're getting wild. Healing Girl summer haul. Yes, and we're getting wild. I approve these jeans, even for the boomers out there. Oh, we're gonna come to you left field. Punching you in the face. I did not mean to slap you. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Boopy! Fetch! The material feels like styrofoams on steroids for your AP history project due tomorrow morning that you're just starting now. The material just feels like, I don't know, bulletproof? Shout it out! I do like the way it frames the chesty besties. It makes them look a lot juicier than they really are because they're really not that juicy. I did adjust the straps to be a little bit shorter to fit my short shoulders. As the CEO of Healing Girl Summer, amongst the windows at least, body confidence. I'm wearing red, full ass buffoon out here. So we have this corset rib cage happening down here where it kind of like squeezes all of you into you. And then around the rim of this whole thing underneath is this plastic sticky grip. Much needed to hold yourself together. Don't let the tears out. I love how big and sturdy the band is back here. Holds in all the fatty tatties. The bulletproof cups really hold on to the integrity of your chesties because there is like this huge, I wouldn't say padding. Yeah, padding. She is pushed out. Sometimes we just need to be held. Let's. Uh-oh. So much for complaining about wanting a medium. Wiggle the shape. Underwear pull up. When the hair goes back behind the ears, it gets serious. It bites. We just gotta get through the zip. The zip. Boy, if you don't get... I can't do it. So we know we're not large. We know we're not a medium. The mid-sized girls can relate. The jeans are too long. Roll it up a little. My circulation's weak, girl. These jeans almost killed me. So cute though. Rip on the thigh, the rips on this knee. We see the bulging up here and the bulging down here. I cannot zip this part. You can literally see my stomach being suffocated. This girl's being interrogated to the bone. Maybe I'm just bloated because I'm on a period. That just started literally 3 minutes ago. I do have hope that I can fit this jean perfectly one day if I keep at my diet. There's potential, and that's our issue, Healing Girls. We keep seeing the potential when we need to focus on the reality and what's present in front of us. But in the language of jeans, there is potential. There's always potential. Will this survive the ultimate cartwheel? not ready for these. Oh my gosh, I lost a ring. So these are the denim cut O-ring, but I lost a ring. These jeans are actually in a size medium as well, and they fit. Am I the issue or you? I am more concerned about where this ring went. Although I can very much get these rings at like Staples or something. It's the same at the back as well. Technically you're wearing shorts, but you decided to put on leg warmers that go all the way up. Dude, imagine actually having a butt in these. How cute would that be? It doesn't hang off my butt like the model. It hangs off my thighs and cellulite. It is a tad too tight, so yes, there are squishies popping out. The length isn't too bad either. These jeans have somewhat of a quality to it. It's stiff. I love that I'm referring stiff to quality at this point with SHEIN and like yes style, because I can't clip this together. This side of my leg is just super long. I always pay for clipping. I paid for SHEIN, so you get what you get. But it's not interesting to decide if these jeans are up and down standard. So the only way to tell is to do a cartwheel test. One clipped off my ass, and then I found the missing one. It was a blessing in disguise. It's like trying to wipe your ass. My arms are way too short for this, bro. When you bend down, the rings will snap off. If you have a bigger booty than me, which is literally everyone, be aware. Okay, PSA over. Okay, in terms of the shirt, it has this like loop in the middle here that's open that connects to the strap. Way too high up here, honestly. I'm a huge fan of this copper color. However, off camera, which you did not see because it would have been way too dangerous for your eyes, be aware of this shifting because it's so up and close and tight up here. As it shifts, this loop moves to only one side. Hey, it'll be a great breastfeeding top though. Chilling, but you're like, oh my god, I need to pick my baby. Swap it over. Yeah. It is a little bit like lopsided on me. The bottom part, can you tell? I love the color. I think the color is super flattering for Healing Girl Summer. I really feel like Healing Girl Summer is all about browns and greens, neutrals to the earth that grounds us. I liked it so much that I also got it in this color, beige and nude. It does look like I'm not wearing anything. You just look like a big block of your own birthday suit. I did get this one in a bigger size, so it does feel a little bit more comfortable around the arm right here. It feels less stress on your shoulder too, so that's really nice for the shoulder blades because we do like our armpits to breathe and release. What is this? Oh my god, I love this outfit. Oh my god. Again, we're sticking to the brown tones for Healing Girl Summer. So I did change my jeans as well, which we'll get to in a second. This is the crossover back tie halter top. When you get this, it's gonna look like a long tie. It took me a little bit to figure out how to like place down my body. A little confusing at first. I love the gold detailing right here. I think this is what makes it in a way. It breaks it up and it brings this halter so much more to life. I mean, just look at how it frames the body. I'm deceased, buried. Please put me in this when you
bury me inside, lay me down on bed of roses.
I will say there's not a lot of support to the girlies, so you're gonna feel a little bit, you know, separation anxiety right here. Wear a little bit of tape, gauze, I don't know. This is such an ashy tone brown that it just looks so stunning on the body. It has this little scrunch right here. Not only is it halter, so it makes your eyes draw in, but it crosses over your body to frame the girls, but also frame your waist. X marks the mother spot. Do be careful of a slip. This one decided to make an appearance. So far, my favorite top. You must get this top. My niece Melanie actually has these jeans, and every time she wears them, I'm like, they're so freaking cute. It looks cuter on her because she's a little taller. It frames her actual, like, you know, knee. For her, this rip is up on her thigh like this, but for me, it's like down here. It's a little awkward, but that's okay. I still really like it. I love the big cut. You see my big ass dolphin chins? Yep, gotta love them. I love how it frames my hips. She said hips? She said muffin moves. The wash-up color is really pretty too. These were in a large, so 8 to 10, and it fits really good. Maybe I need to refrain away from 6 to 8. I like the feel of 8 to 10. It feels perfect, comfortable, not too snug. I guess we can tell that sizes are not consistent here. Pairing both of these up, she said, all eyes on me. this summer. She said, buy me a drink this summer. She said, I don't know what else she said. This has to be my favorite outfit. Hearts. Oh my god. Look at this heart detailed tube top. How is this so darn cute? Look at the hearts going down the middle and the straps holding on to dear life. When I bought this, I did size down because I knew there was not going to be any kind of grip. Seeing this material is just very like polyester. Ever since my White Fox review, I became really obsessed with shirts with like an openness to it. And because this tube top is pressing down on your chest because of the downsize, it creates a little like outline for your like chesty besties. It gives a little plump to the hump. It's like putting air in tires. Very risque. Hot girl summer turned healing girl summer. Little details like this not only emphasizes on your body, but emphasizes on the confidence. And that's what we're here for. That's all I have to say about this. Here's just a beater. I love this forest green. Dish size to a medium. It's perfect placement for the chesty bestie, for your waist, for your neck. I love how this tank comes up kind of inward, so it looks like a halter top almost, but oh my gosh. How simplistic. It's a very basic piece where you're not trying too hard. Although some of these clothes does try a little hard. Having essentials just like a simple green tank in your closet sometimes looks better than other tops. And I'm 110% on board with that and aware of that, so thank you very much. Did I not say green and browns were in for Healing Girl Summer? Okay, I need to stop saying that. HGS haul. Look how simplistic this looks. Here's another O-ring detailed knit top. It's super short, it's supposed to be. I did size up. I think this isn't a large. It takes a lot of confidence to wear something like this out. So if you're on the same boat, do it. Take the risk. Do it. What's holding you back? We are not sorry for our body. It has these two little knobs up here, and these two pieces just scrunch up here, while this does have a line connected to the back like this. You like that? You like that? Although this side feels a little bit more supported and covered, this side does feel a little, it's gonna make its own guest appearance, you know? Normally during the summers, I try not to get too tan, but this summer I was like, whatever. Do you see my tan line? Freaking obsessed with my tan body, and look how beautiful this white looks on top. Oh my gosh, follow me on TikTok. I have to make a TikTok on all these shirts. Did we do the cartwheel test on these jeans? We did not, my bad. Must have. Okay, not my favorite top. This mesh down here is orange. It's almost like you threw this top in the laundry way too many times and the color's completely like depleting, just like this. Washed out red. It feels like a nightie. I do like this mesh on my skin. There's not a lot of sturdiness. Even if you size down on this tank to help give it a little bit more commitment to your body, I don't think it'd work because of the fabric. And this is like the thinnest panty liner. Nothing much to say about this tank, so we're moving on. I will mention there is this like lacing, like it's supposed to be worn in the bedroom. Okay, so I changed to these jeans. Not horrible. I'm very short, so the rips are like low, which it should be starting by my thighs. Wide-legged. The rips do feel like they're gonna snap any second. Knee you in the balls. These are also in a large, fit nicely. Larges tend to fit better on me. So again, size 8 to 10, large all the way. No shame in larges. These are the last jeans. I'm gonna switch back to my favorite jeans. Did this just take me literally 30 minutes to figure out how to put on? Yeah, 2 long straps, and then they were like, figure it out, there you go. Literally a test for patience. I actually didn't think this would be that cute when I saw it. I actually really like it. I love how the straps are way out here. I love shirts with straps that start way out here. And I love that these can be adjustable, so you can bring it up higher, you can bring it very low cut, almost this like sweetheart neckline. It just ties hair at the back. With this type of fabric, you want to make sure you're double knotting, whatever it is, just don't do one loop. I love the shine to this dusty pink look. Mermaid feels, I don't know why. It's shiny like a pearl. And also you just kind of swap the straps here, so it creates this little illusion. SHEIN right now, this is for $5. It's literally leftover leg warmers. $5 well spent. Next, Shabam! Shabba, shabba, shabba. It's a little awkward when I first looked at it. Everything is so to this side that everything looks smaller on this side. There are these rings, these L rings that hold the two pieces together. Thank God. Very stretched out as you can tell. And then it has this thin strap that goes around, creates this diagonal right here. It's a little uncomfortable only because I just don't know. I just feel like I need to pull everything. It is what it is. It's not too bad, although I do feel like there's no like symmetry. Losing its equality kind of tapers off. This starts rolling up a little bit and it feels like it's starting to choke you. Hazardous. I don't know. If it's your style, then get it. Dancer moment top. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this. You tell me. Freaking Spanx on your body. Am I going scuba diving? It's this shiny fabric too. I do like the cutout. As you can tell through this haul, I'm really into these little cutouts. This is just like a crop long sleeve. It's restrictive and suffocating to my skin. I have this thing with texture, right? Sometimes I can't breathe if it's the wrong texture. And this is like on the cusp. I really like this metal detailing right here that kind of cuts the cut in half. Wow. I don't know how I feel about it. It does give a cute K-pop feel. Like I'm a dancer. So there you have it. White tank. Super small, super see-through, nothing much to say. It's literally like a bra. Cute little lacing right here. No quality to it. It literally looks and feels like a bra. Maybe less of a bra. And this cut is really not it. This might be a no. A little too short. Okay. Okay, so this one's okay. I like the color. It has this like red-brown color, kind of like the Grand Canyons. It tapers down to this point that's not so obvious. It's almost like they forgot to trim this off and it's just like, whoops. I do like this upper portion part. On the model, it has this nice scoop look, but like mine don't look like a nice overall scoop. It looks like a bone if you just focus on the skin. It's enough that I'll still wear it, but not enough where I'm like, I love this shirt. This is how it looks like from the back. Again, I'm very into this like, why did I buy so many tops? Holy crap. Here's just a black tank. I'm sorry, I feel like this is a lightning round. It buckles in the front and it's kind of weird because the buckles are like backwards. Is this supposed to be like that? I think so. I think it adds a little edge to it. The tank is ribbed. This looks very DIY. Looks like you bought these from Michael's yourself and sewn them on so you can clip it yourself. Not a huge fan of this tank. It's okay. You don't have any support. I have to rate it maybe like a 2 out of 5. Ooh, the last tank, a spicy one for you. Oh, this gives me champagne and wine. Alcohol free, yes. Exactly. Anyway, this is the last top. I do love how rich the red looks. It literally looks like I'm wearing a rose petal. Even looks like it with the little frill right here. And good for me, I downsized, so this is a medium. It fits nicely on the girlies. One complaint though, the frill right here is uneven. You see how one is super long, one is not. Odd look. Ugh. But besides that, it does come with a little scrunch in the middle. Anything diagonal, tapered, or opposite makes the waist just like so tasty. The straps are not adjustable. You guys know me, I love my thin straps. It runs down a little lower. This is exposed. I'm in between a rose or a cupcake. This could be such a great statement piece. Mysterious. Champagne and wine. That is it for this SHEIN haul. I'm so sorry it took a while and I kind of just sped through the middle. Hopefully you guys got the gist. Make sure you follow my TikTok. Until the next haul, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it.